Can I get quiet on set?
I'm so sorry. I'm just an intern. Please don't fire me.
Shh! Everybody!
Alright, I'm trying. Please. Hold on a second. Hold on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Momo Makeup here. Today I'm doing a battle of the foundations. Over here I have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and over here I have Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I bet you cannot guess which side is which. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see which foundation I prefer, then keep on watching. Alright, so before I get started comparing the two foundations on my face, I just wanted to give a brief description of each foundation. So this is, most of you might already know this foundation, the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation, costs $64 for 1 ounce. The claim on their website is that it's a lightweight liquid foundation that gives your skin a radiant, silky finish. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. This costs $5.99 and you get the same amount, 1 ounce. Their website does say that this gives your skin a matte finish, and this foundation has a light diffusing complex to give your skin no filter perfection. I did read online that this was tested in 7 different camera settings so that when your flash goes off and you're taking a selfie, it doesn't give the flashback, which is when your skin just looks pale and washed out due to the flash on your camera. So even though these two foundations do give different claims on their website as to what they do for your skin, I just kind of wanted to see how a luxury brand foundation holds up compared to a drugstore. I like to invest in both pricier foundations and cheaper ones as long as they get the job done. Who really cares how much it costs? So let's give these a whirl. First, I'll start out by priming my face. This is my go-to primer. This is the Hangover RX from Too Faced. And it just comes with a little pump like this. I just do 1 pump, rub my fingers together and apply it, focusing on my T-zone. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. It comes with a little applicator like this. So I'm just gonna do, I actually really love this applicator because it gives you a lot of product with just 1 paddle full. And let's blend this out. Now I'm going to go in with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. This comes with a pump. I'm just going to take like a pump and a half and just dot that on using my fingers, which I actually kind of prefer because I do feel that when you warm beauty products up in your hands before you apply them, it does help to sort of like activate them. I don't know, I could just be making that up, but that's my thought. Okay, I want to give you guys an up-close look. This is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk side. And this is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. I am going to apply my translucent powder, concealer. I'm going to do a little contouring, and I'll be right back just to see the final look. Okay, I just finished applying my skin products. I didn't want to do a highlight because I just don't feel like it. And I also didn't want to do my eye makeup because I just wanted to focus on the skin part here. I am shaking and quaking because photo focus, Giorgio Armani. Do you really see any difference? I actually think the photo focus side does look better. I also forgot to mention my Giorgio Armani shade is 3.75 and the photo focus foundation is Nude Ivory. This just goes to show you do not need to spend a fortune to find the right foundation. It all just depends on what works for you, but I would highly recommend you try the photo focus foundation. It only costs $5.99 versus $64, and I think that this side looks better. Tell me what you guys think. Sound off in the comments below. Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.